Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about PHP function. Do you know PHP has more than 1000 built-in functions? We can call them directly while we write PHP program to do specific task. So the real power of PHP is coming from the functions. Now we can go to the program and write our first PHP function. We can write a function in PHP by writing function and the function name. Here the function name is write message, write msg. Okay, after that we can write the content inside the function. Here I am writing hello and a question mark. After that we need to call the function. We can just call the function by naming the function. Okay, just like the code. Now I'm going to show the function. Here it called the function and it's hello there. Now I'm going to write another function which will show our name. Here I'm changing the function name to show name and inserting a variable called $name. Okay, then I'm going to change the echo program to show the name. Okay, I'm going to change the hello question mark to my name is, and it will show the name that we gonna transfer to the function. Okay, now call the function and write a name in it. Okay, so it will transfer the name Muhsin Muhammad BC will transfer to my name is, and it will show the name there. See how this is how it's work. Okay, now I'm going to reuse the same function for showing different names. Here I'm calling the function again and writing the name Sharif and calling the function again and again with different names. Okay, now save the file and go to the browser and reload it. So we can see all the name it showed there. Okay, we can put a break here to show it line by line. See, the names are now showing line by line. Now we are going to write another program which will calculate two numbers through the function and will return the output of that two numbers. Okay, I mean the sum of that two numbers. Here I'm writing a function name call and passing two variables to the function, $num1 and $num2. Okay, and we can return the value. Here I'm writing a variable $total and writing $num1 plus $num2, so it will store the sum value of $num1 and $num2 to the $total variable and return the output by using the return code. Now we can call the function call and pass two numbers, number 1 and number 2. So the number 1 will go to $number1 variable and the number 2 will go to the $number2. And we can see there is nothing showing because we just wrote the code return. So we need to change to echo. Now we can see the sum of the two numbers are showing. Whenever we use return inside of function, we have to write the code echo to show the value from the function whenever we call the function. Okay, here the result is same. Now I'm going to write another built-in function in PHP, the date function, which will show the date of the current day. After writing the date function, we have to write the year, month, date parameters inside the function, and it's not showing anything because we didn't wrote the code echo. Now it's showing the year, month, and the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please press the like button. Also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.